Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at this magnificent Tesla stock. Guys, look at this massive green candle on Tesla. So, can tomorrow we hit $200? We'll talk about all of that in this video, guys. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. So, bulls held that last line of defense that was keeping it on the swing, that pivot bullish. It came down to the wire here, guys. It came down to that fine line. If we would have lost this 20 days moving average and this area, if we could not have regained above 178 and 180, not just that, and also this channel line, like that was the very fine line that, this structural area that I was talking about, that if we lose the structural area, this would be over for Tesla. And last minute on the swing, bulls still held that pivot. So yes, we are full on bullish, not just on swing, on the daily interval as well. So how about I start off by showing you my day trading bot as well first. So let me turn on that. And if you need access to my indicators, guys, links are in the description below of this video, and my bots as well. So I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. This is one of those day trading bots. Again, links are in the description below of this video if you need access to them. Today, great move on Tesla, good buying position we got, and then rocketed straight up, guys. Look at it. Good profits, and again, left data is on the left side, the net profitability, so things are looking great. Anyways, so that's that. Let's get back to now on the daily interval, and let's start off over there. So what are we seeing? Bulls held the level, the swing level at this pivot of $178 and also above 20 days moving average. And so we have still a higher low and a higher high in this uptrend that Tesla is in. Not just that, this is such a great start to the week, guys, that if I take it to the weekly interval, let's do that. You can see that we are out of that channel now. Now we just have to close above this channel, which I think we would. So this is a weekly long-term downtrending channel that you can see has been giving us pain. But finally, this inverted head and shoulder on the weekly interval is working out as just how we wanted to see it happen, that any pullback into this green box should just give us on the weekly interval this inverted head and shoulder pattern. And we have started the move to the upside. So tomorrow, $200, is that a possibility? How much average range is Tesla doing? $10.50. Where is it at? $187.50 almost. Today it almost at $12. So we are not far away from $200. It's a possibility. So it's not far out of reach. And since everything is bullish right now, yes, that's a possibility in my opinion. If we don't hit $200, at least we are in that direction. I'm just going by the average range, which is getting very close to that $200 from where we are right now. So what else am I seeing? So let's go to the hourly interval. Now this was very critical moment for us, right? That 200 hours moving average, holding it. This is where we wanted to see this pivot hold on the swing side, and then getting out of this lower intraday cool-offs that we were going into this trend line. Once we got out of it, that's where we wanted to get out of it. This thing just rocketed up, and we are intraday as well, full on bullish. Tomorrow, it's structured now on swing, intraday, both is bullish. On the swing, we were already bullish, but we were at the very fine line of change if the weakness would come, but we finally held that level. So bulls still held that swing pivot. And this is where now Tesla is on intraday as well, bullish. On the swing it was already and is still bullish. Now any pullback to the level of 185 tomorrow, 184 and 26 cents in other words as well, it's just a pullback. That is fine, but that is still going to keep any pullback to the level of 184 and 25 cents is still bullish as long as we hold the support here like double bottoms and so forth. Until then, structure is still bullish on intraday as well. We also have a support of 20 and 50 hours moving average coming from underneath. So that's still, at least for a day, a good support even if the pullback comes deeper. We are in the uptrend. There is no guarantee how deep the pullback would be if we want to continue higher. So right now, there is still possibilities that we can just continue higher from where we are right now. And that gives us the next level up is 191. That's where the recent previous supply zone is. Getting out of it opens up the doors for us to $198.90, very close to $200. So let's see if we can do this tomorrow. But things are looking great already to me on Tesla. And this is in no way or no fashion bearish. This is not bearish. Bears are cooked, guys. They're cooked. We are bullish on Tesla, period. As I said, pullbacks on this are just a buy in my opinion. Definitely you would want to have a stop loss on the other side. And just like on, well, technically this was the great place to buy, right? And then ride the wave and take partial profits in extensions, definitely. And again, if you need some assistance via my tools, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. All right. So what else, guys? That's it. Looking great. Awesome. All right. I want to take you over a couple of articles as well on Tesla. Oh, well, one more thing, guys. So yes, as if we continue higher, I do expect some resistance wherever this 200 days moving average will meet Tesla. All right. There you can expect some pullbacks. The 200 days moving average just don't break just in a single time, right? Single setting now. You would expect some pullback there, but until then, I do expect this thing to continue to traverse its way all the way to this 200 days moving average, which is going to be somewhere around $200 as well by the time price gets there. Anyways, still bullish. Structure is bullish on Tesla right now. Yeah, if things have to change, well, I don't think tomorrow Tesla has a potential of getting bearish, but if from here Tesla needs to really break the structure again to the downside, well, it has to first take out 20 and 50 days moving average, and I don't think it's, sorry, 20 and 50 hours moving average, and I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow. Tomorrow, if we even fall, it's better to just trade the rebound intraday long with the support of 20 and 50 hours moving average, and on the lower time frame when you see like double bottom consolidations and things like that at those levels. Yeah, otherwise we'll just right from here we can just continue higher because the structure is still bullish. All right, I want to take you over now a couple of articles as well that we have on Tesla. And Tesla sues someone actually. Here we go. Matthews International refutes Tesla allegations that it stole dry electrode battery trade secrets. Shares fall, not of Tesla, but of Matthews International, I guess. I don't track that stock. You can go and see what happened to that. But you know what? Let's take a look at that. What happened to it? MATW. Matthews International Corporations. All right. Yeah. Well, it was already in the downtrend, guys, though. Yeah. Well, the stock is already in the downtrend and it's just flushing. So yeah, it's already in the downtrend though. So yeah, you can see it's a classic downtrend. So yeah. But anyways, let's take a look at it again. You know, yeah. So it just, Tesla says, hey, you stole our trade secrets, and here we go to the legal system. All right. Yeah, for allegedly stealing confidential trade secrets related to automakers' dry electrode battery manufacturing technology and disclosing them to Tesla competitors. I wonder if Lucid is the one. Lucid, I think, I don't want to say something, but I don't give Lucid a really good morality check off there. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. The company is seeking to stop Matthews from the sale of this equipment and to transfer ownership of all patent applications related to the manufacturing technology. Tesla further alleged that Matthews tried to sell to its competitor equipment for dry electrode battery manufacturing that embodied Tesla's confidential trade secrets. Matthews said the lawsuit was a new tactic to bully the company and improperly take valuable intellectual property. It said the complaint failed to identify even one trade secret that Tesla purposely disclosed to Matthews. Matthew said it that its engineers had been developing the technology that served the basis of dry battery electrode solutions well before the formation of Tesla as a company. Yeah, so it's very subjective, gonna go back and forth, yeah, anyone can say anything, but anyways, that's the article, guys, that's the article. Musk says working on the Tesla master plan 4, and that's it. He then just stops speaking about it. I don't know what that master plan 4 is, guys. Yeah. Anyway, so that's that, but seems like Elon is speaking a lot about Tesla. Looks like he's back from Twitter on Tesla. That should reflect good on Tesla stock price. So yeah, that's that, guys. So that's the technicals and some little bit high level news on Tesla. Anyways, I'll see you in my next videos. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. And that's that. Bye.